Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the king of Android smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Is it really the ultimate phone, or are there chinks in its armor? Let's find out. First things first, the S23 Ultra is a gorgeous phone. It's got that signature boxy design with sharp edges and a luxurious feel. The back is made of recycled glass, which is not only good for the environment but also gives it a unique shape. Plus, the built-in pen is back and better than ever, slotting seamlessly into the bottom of the phone. The display is a stunner. It's a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED X panel with a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling. And thanks to the new Vision Booster technology, it gets incredibly bright even in direct sunlight. But let's be honest, the main reason most people are eyeing the S23 Ultra is the camera. And oh boy, does it deliver. Samsung has slapped a massive 200-megapixel sensor on the back, the highest resolution ever in this model. And the results are simply mind-blowing. Photos are incredibly detailed, even when you zoom in, and the low-light performance is phenomenal. Powered by the S23 Ultra is powered by Samsung's latest and greatest processor, the Exynos 2300. It's amazing, capable of handling anything you throw at it, from gaming to video editing. And with up to 1 TB of storage, you never have to worry about running out of space. The battery life is solid. The 5000 mAh cell will easily get you through a day of normal use, and even heavy users should be able to make it to bedtime with some juice left. And when you do need to top up, the 45W fast charging will get you back to 100% in no time. Powered by Bluetooth. But if you're looking for the absolute best Android experience, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is definitely the phone to choose. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech videos. And let me know in the comments below what you think of the S23